morning. It's like here I've come to take a walk on my terrace, and it's beautiful morning today with amazing breeze. Not exactly breeze, it's windy today and it's amazing, it's beautiful, and I'm just top of the world. It's beautiful, yes. So let's talk about our today's topic. I welcome you all to my channel, your personality development master, Tulika B. Mukherjee. Yes. So today I'm going to challenge you to help your personality develop in just 2 steps, not 3, not 5, just 2 steps. Okay. So why do we need to develop and build the personality? Because you are going to support yourself in the coming days, be it health wise, be it monetary wise, anyway. You are going to help yourself. Okay, so the things that are going to help you is 2 things I'm going to talk about. Is, yes, the first thing I had already said, that is your health, and you have to take care of your health, be it few walks, few push-ups, anything that you want to take, do it, but do it every day. So how do you begin with it? To begin with it, take a 30 days challenge. Only 30 days challenge. Start walking for 30 days. Take a particular time, and if you skip that, it's okay. Go in for the walk, say in the evening, but make sure that you do it no matter what. Okay, so this is something very important you have to remember if you want to continue developing your personality. Yes, there are hawkers down there. Okay, so the next point for your personality development, besides your health, besides the walk that you'll be taking every day, I'm not asking you to take very intensive workouts. I'm only wanting that you should go ahead with whatever you want. Easily you can do it, only that much. Okay, so the second thing is, add at least 3 to 4 things to your to-do list and try to complete it daily. Okay, and what should those 3 to 4 things should be? The 3 to 4 things that you would want to do every day should be that will help you develop yourself, give you a feeling of taking one step ahead towards developing yourself, towards your goal, towards becoming a better person, right? It can be anything. Like, for instance, those who are looking forward to develop their spoken in English part, pay attention to reading something. So do mention 1 page of reading every day. Fine. Just the way you want yourself to go easy with it. So there should be at least 3 to 4 pointers. For me, yes, I am into teaching in English, and I don't believe that you are perfect with everything. So for me, I always try to read every day. I just love to read, because by reading I'm also earning by writing reviews. So it's an amazing way of earning money. One of my friends, Mr. Deepak Agarwal, he is into Jindals with a very dignified position there. So he offered me his book, and I did read it, and I had went for his book, and he wrote amazingly there. So when I read, I get paid. So even you can go ahead with improving your reading skills, and then you can write reviews and you can get paid for it. And very soon I'm going to come up with my workshop on how can you earn through content writing, and I will also help you guide those to break those blocks, as in how to write, but then you have those blank blocks wherein you just do not have how to address your problems. Okay, so for today I'm only going to help you how you can guide yourself with two things, that is first of all to your health, and secondly towards your better self. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe, and tomorrow again I'm meeting you here with yet another video of mine. Bye bye, take care and stay safe and be with the nature. It's amazing to be with nature.